Now these niggas just the booty to the baby till it's back to his face. It's like, whoa. I don't even know what to do, but my nigga just came home from work and he's rolling out what we need. Nigga, yo, that Tuka bill, like Chirac. If niggas they talk shit, dogs, then the guns clap. Dog, but we trying to keep it real cool. If these niggas want wet, then I guess you just a fool. Well, you drool, you fool. This is a freestyle off of the dome. I keep flow sicker than HIV. Try me. Gun stuck to the waist like the Siamese. I smoke good to my eye. Chinese.
Yo, green like my t-shirt. And I don't get my nigga fuck, I think green first. Fuck niggas, yo, they going hate. But I'm from Rich Block, yo, we making cake. Yo, I got my nigga Fat Boy with me. You know, we got them fucking large toys with me. Your shit is bigger than Bow Wow. Ready know, nigga, hit that shit, go pow pow. It's real shit, my nigga, I'm just leaning. Ready know, in the corner, your feet leaning. It's real shit, so we serving it out. You already know, put 40 niggas fucking it out. Yo, it's real shit. R.I.P. TG. You already know my nigga, fuck nigga, free PG. I'm not talking about that nigga that got snaked. You already know I'm talking to nigga that
yo, I just woke up on my grave for my father's soldiers and more crackheads while they melting boulders. I'm trying to get better with the weight on my shoulder. These niggas envelopes, so yo, the way that they fold up. These niggas, but when you see Jesus, that's me. If you seen God up there, then you gotta see me. Y'all put your brains on the wall like a Michael Jordan poster. They booted the baby and came back like a roller coaster. And when it's over, deal, mama, I'm sorry. Mama, can you save me? Add pizza pop like French fries and gravies. Flying like Vince Carter mixed with McGrady. Salute me like the Navy. You couldn't even play me. When I float off, then these niggas all lazy. Yo, I'm trying to find my baby. So you gotta salute me like the Navy.
Salute me like the Navy. All blue. Fuck them niggas reppin' that Subaru. From the Rich Block, nigga, we CRN. Because we shoot niggas till they fucking dead. Yeah, my nigga, man, I got them shooters. Yeah, my nigga, I got them nerds type of computers. My nigga, I got them doing Wi-Fi shit. I already know my nigga shit. I'm on some high shit. Every day smoking them blunts. You already know I'm on that bike. Papa Willie's watching me stun. You nigga, I'm in the bike below. You already know, y'all nigga, man, he making the dough.
Yeah, that Western Road shit. Nigga, you know this? More faster when I flow like a fucking Lotus. If this flow is no nice, then it's just ferocious. And when fucking Drake and Puffy, they hear this, nigga, yo, I'm like a Buffy like Slayer, and these niggas underestimate us. When I flow, they get stuck like an elevator. Hasta la vista like Terminator. Off that 2 key, spitting with the Uzi. This ain't no movie. I leave holes in your body like my new jacuzzi. Bumping some little boozy, spitting off the Uzi. Mac 10, Mac 11, higher than heaven.
Higher than heaven, give you 11. You already know my nigga, yeah, I'm counting to 7. Yeah, that's the blessed name of the holy day. You already know my nigga shit, yeah, I'm getting paid. Every day I work, and every day I think money, my nigga got the twerk.
Say that shit.
Yeah, say that shit. And
say that shit.
You already know my nigga shit, yeah, watch me lay it.
Lay it. Yo, dawg, what they saying? I'm about Dragon Ball Z, cause I'm Super Saiyan. Fuck what the Super saying. I'm higher than a super plane. I ain't saying no names. These niggas lame. My flow is the game. Just like Max Payne. Yo, they want me to dead, so I gotta get the game right now. No sound when it goes down. Michael Jackson classic like Motown. Yo, Tupac is my favorite. You hater. Nigga, what you talking about? Bumping some Machiavelli. Cross them like Pepe. Game like Messi. These niggas can't get me. Pop like some ecstasy. Stripes like some referees. Niggas better cool it. Nigga, yo, you get wet just like the pool. Yo, was the baddest fucking kid in the school. And now yo, whining now acting like a fool. Nigga, let me come home with my tools. Dog, is it right? Are you breaking the rules? Nigga, off the T-dot, back to the D-block. Out in the ridge on the top of the balcony. If these niggas wanna scope it up, then I gotta get high. Like you higher than some angel dust. I'm just praying to God where my angels was. But the devil got me all vampired out. Nigga, what you talking? You gargoyle, tinfoil, chasing the dragon until you get all spoiled. Nigga, from the blue to the red, from the shots to the dome to the shots to the head. Yo, these niggas, yo, they wanna